guys, today we're going to do a STEM project from home. I tried to think of items that I had around the house so that we could do something fun together. So we're going to make a volcano lava lamp. Alright, so our first thing was water. I took a container and I put about 3 cups of water in it. And then I have a cup of oil. I didn't want to use all of my oil, so I'm hoping that just a cup works just fine. We have red food coloring, and we have Alka-Seltzers. My Alka-Seltzers are expired, so I'm hoping it still works, but here we go. All right, Chase, you're gonna dump the oil in the water. All of it.
And I'm gonna do these, whatever they're called.
I'm gonna bring this closer so you can see it.
I'm doing these. I'm doing these.
All right. Hang on, Tessa. Sit down.
I'm
All right.
standing.
We're gonna put the food coloring in now.
Food coloring.
Food coloring. Just do a couple drops. And when the food coloring goes in the oil, it stays round like little beads. Okay, that's good. But once it gets past the oil, it's going to kind of mix up with the water.
And it's going to be cool when it goes down. See? It looks so cool.
Nope, it'll eventually drop down. It's supposed to.
It's going to look so cool.
Maybe.
What's happening?
Oh, there it goes.
See? It's so cool. And so pretty. It's so pretty. Nah.
That is so cool.
That is pretty.
It doesn't move here. Move your jacket.
Move your jacket. My arms in my jacket.
Alright, and once it starts to go through a little bit, we're going to add an Alka-Seltzer. Just one, Tessa. And see what happens.
Whoa.
It starts to go through the red and look at the bottom now.
It's starting to go through the alcohol. And then it'll explode up.
It's oil, baby.
Whatever it's called, oil. See, it's going up a little.
Red.
And then, Mom, show
Tessa,
them the
go
top.
ahead and drop another Alka-Seltzer in there and let's see what happens.
Show them the top.
In a minute.
Look right
See,
here,
it's
your
like
bubbles.
coming up.
Yeah, it's starting to go through the oil.
Oil. And then, look, the top is like gonna go up. And it's gonna be so cool.
Tessa, drop that other piece of Alka-Seltzer in there.
There isn't any.
Yeah, there is.
Just give me all.
Put that baby in there.
And watch. It's gonna get even
Is there any more in here?
Let me have it.
No,
Let me
stop.
No.
No, let's not put any more. Let's just wait and watch.
Whoa, look at the top.
It.
Can't climb. I'm not putting the last one in.
Let's just do it. Let's see what happens.
Let me do it.
Okay, Mom?
Half and half.
It's gonna go exploding up.
Look at the top of it.
See, it's like all wet and see that? It's going up from the middle. It's going up. So it explodes like kind of
It's
cool.
not gonna
So it kind of looks like a volcano, how it's red on the bottom and then popping up through the oil.
Do you hear the sizzling noise?
Mm-hmm.
A sizzle noise.
Chase, why don't you go get a spoon? Let's stir it and see what happens.
We're getting a spoon to stir it. And see, it looks so cool going up.
Do a fork.
Okay, that'll work.
It'll look like that.
Does it have any smell? You want me to throw a little more?
Sure.
It's probably gonna go up. See the spoons now. I don't see anything in there anymore.
I think that's the other piece of the Alka-Seltzer.
Put it back in.
It's making a sizzling noise.
All right, so that is our STEM projects for the day. I think maybe if you have Alka-Seltzers that are not expired in 2018, it might work better. Thanks for tuning in.